Good morning and Assalamu alaikum 6th class. How are you students? Hope so you all are fine and enjoying the cloudy weather. Students, let's start our work with the name of Allah Almighty. Today is the Friday 15th of January 2021. Students, this is a time of science lecture. Today's our topic of discussion is forms of energy. In this today's topic, I will explain you the forms of energy in detail. Student, first of all, what is the energy? Energy is needed to do work. Hence, we define energy as the ability of a body to do work. Energy can improve the quality of our life when it is used efficiently, effectively, and wisely. Here, the example of energy is shown. Next top point is forms of energy. Here are given some important forms of energy. Number 1, mechanical energy, electrical energy, light energy, thermal energy, and the sound energy. First of all, discuss the mechanical energy. Students, the mechanical energy is the energy of an object due to its motion or position. The mechanical energy is actually the sum of object's kinetic energy and the potential energy. Here is the kinetic energy, example is moving car, and here is the example of potential energy, which is due to the position of a body. Another form of energy is the electrical energy. Electrical energy involves the flow of electric charges or electric current, and it can be transmitted over long distances through cables. Student, electrical energy is produced by power stations and becomes the important source of energy today. Here is the example of electrical energy showing the lighted bulb. Next form of energy is the light energy. Light is the form of energy. It is needed for us to see the things and for plants to make the food. Most of our light energy comes directly from the sun. Other examples are stars, lightning, fire, deep sea fish, some glowworms, and burning fuel. The major example is the sun and the bulb, which shows the light energy. Next energy is the thermal energy. The thermal energy is the energy which is produced due to the transfer of heat or temperature. Here, this diagram shows that heat is flowing from the hot object to the cold object. Next form of energy is the sound energy. Sound is produced by the vibrating objects. Our vocal cords vibrate when we are speaking. Some examples of sound energy are musical instruments, and the major is human ear. Students, I am giving you the classwork, that is, write down the forms of energy with the help of examples. Do it in your copies and do your work properly. Thank you.